Are you getting this DirectX could not download file error message in your system? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. To resolve this issue, you need to open this link. I will share you this link in the video description as well. So this is DirectX end user runtime, and you need to select a language from here. I'll select English and I need to download it from here. So it will take a few seconds or minutes according to your internet speed. You can see it is getting downloaded for me. So only 10 seconds are left, so you need to wait for the process to complete the download. And once the download is complete, you need to just open the file, downloaded file, and after opening this file you need to run the exe file. So run this exe file. So click on yes option from here and enter the type, the location where you want to place it. You can click on browse, you can select a place where you want to download it, click on OK and just click on OK. So it will get downloaded to your destination, and after that once it is completely installed in your system, you will not get this error message and it will work perfectly fine for you.